Kitchen. The way you simmer is a masterclass. You got a flavor that was built to last. This ain't just cooking, girl, it's soul food love. A perfect recipe sent from above. In Cooper's Kitchen, you bring the heat. In Cooper's Kitchen, your love so sweet.